Hi, my name is Maya. I'm from Lebanon, and I just completed my 300 hours teacher training in Ashtanga at Tattvaa Yogashala in Rishikesh. I definitely had a great experience. The teachers here are wonderful. They're committed, they're present, they challenge you in the right amount, they take care of you in the right amount. The place itself is very welcoming and very warm. The food is wonderful, the staff is fantastic. So all in all, I had truly a much more amazing experience than I could have ever expected, and I recommend this to all of you.